Alors on danse. Alors on danse.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are well and okay. So in today's video, it's a bit different. Well, it's very different. So you won't be seeing my face or anything because I'm not showing you anything beauty related, and it's not a vlog. It's just a quick video of my new iPhone. Yes. So can you guys see? Well, I've crossed the box, but yeah. So I'm just gonna, it's gonna be an unboxing video of my new iPhone 13 Pro Max. Yes, guys, I finally got, I finally was able to get the iPhone 13 Pro Max after a very long process. I don't know, as you guys, I don't know if some of you know that it's really hard to get hold of this phone because there's only limited phones available and you can only get it from Apple. If I was to go through directly through my provider, which is O2, I would have to wait for like 3 to 6 weeks, and I'm traveling. So yes, I was able to get my hand on the Sierra Blue. I didn't care what color it was, as long as I was getting this phone. I mean, I didn't care what color I would get. But yeah, I'm happy with the Sierra Blue. I think it's very pretty. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Let me just tilt the camera a little bit. Yeah, I think that's better. So yeah, so that's the phone. This is how it comes. And I have the 256 gigabyte. Yeah, so it's a very funny story how I got this phone, because I've literally been going to Apple like every week just to see that, you know, if I would be lucky and then find the phone in store. But every time I go, it's not in stock. They get like few, maybe like 5 or 3 in stock, and it goes like hotcake. So I went last week, and then the lady I spoke to was like, they do get them in, but they don't know how many they get in the day. So when they get it, it goes. So she was like, but you can go to the iPhone upgrade program, and then you keep refreshing, and then just see, you know, if it's, I mean, yeah, just keep refreshing the page. And then if you're lucky, you might be able to reserve one there. I was like, oh, how come no one told me this? But yeah, that's what I did. As soon as I got home, you went online, and then I was just, you know, keeping my eyes peeled. Nothing was available in London. In any of the Apple store in London, nothing was available. So anyways, and she told me that the best time to have a look was between 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. So best believe I woke up at 3. But yeah, I woke up at 3, not because I to look for the phone, but it was just coincidentally that I couldn't sleep. So I woke up at 3, and then I was looking, but there was nothing happening. And then obviously I fell asleep again, and then I think I woke up around 7, and then I was like, oh my god, I kept looking, I was praying to God, say please help me. And then yeah, so in the end, anyways, I clicked on I was just clicking on any, so it could have been any color, I didn't care. So I clicked on the Sierra Blue, and then this one was available at the Apple store in Bromley. Bromley is so far away from where I live, but I didn't care, so I quickly went, clicked on it, and reserved. And then yeah, so I went to pick it up yesterday with my husband, and then now we're going to open it and see what the phone looks like. Yes, okay. Wow, look at that. Oops, I'm already smashing my new phone. Look at that, you guys. Oh my god, isn't she beautiful? Isn't she cute? Oh my god, oh wow. Yep, so I'll take that off as well so you can see the front. Wow. Okay, I'm going from a iPhone 8 Plus. Yes, I haven't upgraded my phone for 4 years because I refused, because I was like, you know what, every time they bring a new phone, it's doing the same job. I'm not upgrading my phone as long as it was okay. But I'm even embarrassed to show you guys the state of my phone right now, because it's battered and tired. And so this is my 8 Plus right now. I mean, don't judge. The screen is all cracked and stuff, and now the back camera doesn't work. So I'm going from this camera to that camera. Like, hello, Hello. So yeah, so I mean, it was time for me to upgrade, and what a better time to wait. So I'm so excited because I've heard so many good things about this phone. The camera is insane. Apparently it's like one of the best out there, and I'm going to be the judge of that. And I've tried it in store, and it's just so good. And it's like even better than the Samsung. Phones are known for their good quality pictures, but apparently this is really good. It's got pixel whatever, and then the battery life is good, which is really good because sometimes I vlog from my phone, and having a good camera and then a good battery is like I've won the lottery, guys. So I am so happy I was able to get hold of this. It's super beautiful. It's got a really nice, like the design is so nice, and it's a little bit weighty as well, like it's a bit heavy, but I guess because of all the good stuff, and I don't really mind. Yeah, so I didn't want any smaller phone because from the 8 Plus I just want to, I mean, I'm so used to having a big phone, and I'm super excited to see to enjoy my phone. So it just comes with, in the box you only get the phone, and then I think the cable, yeah, just the cable, the charging cable. Well, I mean, they're a bit cheeky now just to give you a cable and a phone, and it costs like 1,149 for a phone and just a cable. I think that's a bit cheeky anyways, because they should provide the adapter as well. I had to buy the adapter separately, so, and it was like £19. Yeah, so I paid £19 for the adapter, but I think it should come as a package, not buying it separately. So yeah, I think Apple should look into that, because when I had my 8 Plus, everything came, like you have everything, but I guess 4 years ago, it's a very long time. So yes, so I am super excited, and if you're thinking of getting the iPhone 13 Pro Max, I think you should go ahead with it because it's worth every penny, I think. From what I've heard, what I've read, and what I've seen as well, I'm definitely happy that I was able to get this, you know. So expect some good pictures, and you know, so yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos. And yeah, take care guys, bye.